Hello everyone, I'm back in my car recording this meditation, and the theme that I wanted to focus on is anxiety. And have you ever felt like your mind is stuck on a never-ending hamster wheel, like thoughts are bigger, heavier, and harder to let go of? Well, anxiety can feel like that. It can feel like a storm that takes over your entire body and really leaves you frozen. What if I told you that we have the power to calm that storm? Well, even in your car. In the next few minutes in this meditation, I'm going to show you how to do that. And you don't need to do anything except listen and follow along. And just to make sure that this meditation works for you, just make sure that your car stopped. You're parked in a place where you're not going to be disturbed. One of the things that I love to do is I always have an eye mask with me. And this eye mask, it allows me to block out the sunlight. It allows me to block out any distractions as well. And so let's go ahead and begin. And take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently at the top. And then exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Again, breathe in deeply. Hold. And let go. One more time. Breathe in. Feeling the fullness of breath. And exhale, releasing it all. And allow your eyelids to close if they haven't already. And let the muscles in your face soften. Your jaw slightly open. And drop your shoulders down as if they're melting into the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body just being fully supported right there in your seat. Notice the rhythm of your breath now. Notice how each inhale gently expands your ribs, and how each exhale softens and contracts them inward. There's no rush, just a steady rhythm. And slow your breath down even more. Now, begin to picture a large glass jar in front of you. This jar is to help you organize your thoughts and feelings that might be swirling. Start by placing your worries in this jar, one by one. You might see them as words, images, or sensations. Whatever comes to mind that's weighing you down, drop it in. A difficult conversation, a looming decision, self-doubt, all of it can go in. See how the jar holds them, safely and securely. and it's big enough to contain everything that you need it to. When you're ready, seal the lid tightly. Watch as it holds space for all those thoughts, freeing your mind to find calm. Now, step away from the jar and find yourself in a soothing, natural space. Maybe it's a serene forest, a sunlit meadow, or even the shore of a peaceful lake. Imagine the details of this place. Feel the ground beneath you, the soft grass, the warm sand, or cool stone. Hear those gentle sounds around you. Maybe some birds singing, or rustling leaves, or even a steady rhythm of waves. Breathe in the calm of this place, feeling it in your chest. And as you exhale, let relaxation spread through your entire body. Breathe in the word calm and breathe out the word relaxation. Breathe in calm. Breathe out relaxation. And in this space, anxiety has no foothold. Feel the distance growing between you and the jar you left behind. With every step, every breath, you connect more deeply to this place of peace. Now, envision a warm, glowing light, a soothing energy that starts at the top of your head and it floats down your body, through your shoulders, your chest, belly, and all the way down to your feet. With each breath, this light grows stronger, filling you with a sense of ease and possibility. This is your space of clarity, your space of inner strength. My voice will be silent for just a moment. And if your mind wanders, just breathe in the word calm and breathe out the word relaxation. As we begin to return, gently shift your awareness back to where you are. And feel the support beneath you, the weight of your body resting. And maybe even wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing the energy back into your body. You can even do a giant stretch if you'd like to. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine carrying this calm and clarity with you into your day. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Just take in your surroundings with a renewed sense of peace. And if it feels right, take a moment to jot down any thoughts or insights that come up during this time. You can even draw. And this is your reminder just that you can return to this feeling whenever you need, placing your worries in a jar and stepping into your place of calm. I thank everyone for joining me today, and be gentle with yourself, knowing that you have the tools to navigate any storm. Thank you, and I will see you later.